हाय एवरीबॉडी, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं हूं अंतरा नंदी, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। अभी बज रहे सुबह के 7:30। हमें 9 बजे तक निकलना है। आवर फ्लाइट इज़ अनफॉर्चुनेटली फ्रॉम मुंबई। जो पुणे टू कोची का फ्लाइट था वो लास्ट मोमेंट कैंसिल हो गया। सो हम अभी निकल रहे हैं। फ्लाइट वैसे मुंबई से 2 बजे की है, बट 12 बजे तक एयरपोर्ट पहुंचना है, तो हम 9 बजे यहाँ से निकल रहे हैं। तो आज के ब्लॉग में आप सब हमारे साथ चल रहे हो कोची। टुडे हैपन्स टू बी अ वेरी स्पेशल डे। आज पापा का बर्थडे है और हमें पापा के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने को ही नहीं मिला। देखो आज शो है तो हमें निकलना पड़ेगा, बट मम्मा प्रिपेयर्ड दिस स्पेशल ब्रेकफास्ट ऑल दो वी वर इन अ रश। सो सोचा पापा के साथ निकलने से पहले मॉर्निंग बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करके निकले। वी स्टेड अप एट नाइट टू डू अ लिटिल मिडनाइट सेलिब्रेशन विद पापा। अरे सब पैकिंग हो गया। ममदी, वेयर आर यू? Let's go. Where are you? I'm coming. Wait 1 second. Oh. Arey, I forgot to take my most important possessions at the moment. These, if you're wondering, this is the Kamasi Natural Roll-On Deodorant, and I am obsessed with these products. आज तो मैंने इन्हें लगा लिया है, but we are going to Kochi. We are going to be there for the entire day tomorrow, and then to travel back at night. पुणे में गर्मी पड़ चुकी है, and I'm sure it's hot in Kochi as well. So these, there is no way I was missing out on carrying my favorite Kamasi Natural Deodorant roll-ons. If you're wondering how to use this, it's pretty simple actually. All you have to do is take the cap off, use it directly on your skin, then wear your clothes, and that's it. You're done for the day. Your super exciting offers are presently going on. So if you want to get your hands on my favorite Kamasi roll-on deodorant, all you have to do is use my coupon code ANTARAWD10 to get 10% off on your purchase. You could also find the Kamasi roll-on deodorant on Amazon. Links in the description section. Check it out. चलो पैकिंग शैकिंग डन। चला मंडली। Guys, no kidding, I was obsessed with how beautiful the streets of Pune were looking that day. Oh my gosh, this is the highway though. बचपन से I've been obsessed with filming a car going into the tunnel and coming out of it. 3.5 घंटे के लंबे से सफर के बाद हम पहुंच गए मुंबई एयरपोर्ट। थैंक यू। चले चलो चले चलो। देखो यहाँ एक सिपाही फुल स्पीड में भागता हुआ, दूसरा सिपाही, उसके तो कभी शूले से बंधे हो ही नहीं सकते। Air Asia, no?
Yeah, Air Asia.
And then the sweetest thing ever happened. Tuk Tuk recognized Vishnu Kaushal and Diksha Rawat in the airport, who happened to be two wonderful social media influencers. So Tuk Tuk decided to go up to them and click a selfie. It was totally her big fangirl moment. She got that selfie. She was so happy. बाकी के दिन तो Tuk Tuk के पैर ज़मीन पर पड़े नहीं रहे थे. And apparently Diksha Rawat also complimented what Tuk Tuk was wearing. बस उसके बाद तो मैडम उड़ी रही थी पूरे दिन। आज मैं एयरब्रिज में पिक्चर खींच के रहेगा। Today Tuk Tuk click pictures of me. Why do we board the flight?
I'm not slate the flight.
Oh my. I'm sorry guys. So now you know what I have to deal with 24/7. Okay, so basically abhi we are going to revise all the songs. So much for revising songs, y'all. मेरे को पता था ये डॉगी है। डॉगी।
We are landing. We are landing. Amdi, we are landing.
My mind was blown when I saw this. तो एयरपोर्ट पे जो सीट्स होते हैं ना, where you have to wait for your boarding call near the gate, कोची एयरपोर्ट पे वो सारे सीट्स are literally proper wooden sofas. Look at that.
Since we are in Kochi, that's in Kerala,
Where they speak Malayalam.
so let's speak in Malayalam. All the
Oh,
Malayalam that we know. Namaskaram. Nyan Ankita. Younger Nandi sisters.
Over. I don't know if you've already started noticing, but there is a lot of wood in this airport, and it's one of the most stunning airports that we've been to. Damn. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, now it's your job to pehchano who this is. Show no face, nice face show.
आपकी चाहिए फ्रेश फ्रेश
हाँ जी
है ना?
See yous.
अब बता दे
Bye. I am beyond obsessed with the sweet. Oh my god. इतना स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है ना, तो बहुत ज़्यादा फॉर्चुनेट फील तो होता ही है, बट उसके साथ एक सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फील होना शुरू होता है. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स जस्ट मी, बट आई मीन आफ्टर वॉकिंग इन टू दिस रूम आई एम लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, they are giving us all this love. They are making sure, the organizers are making sure that they give us like the best. And I think at this point I just feel our only responsibility is to perform the best way possible tomorrow and make sure that we just do our best and make sure that everybody watching us has the best time. And I hope we can do our best. And I don't know, I'm थोड़ा सा nervousness ज़्यादा हो रहा है अभी. Oh, let me tell you something very important. हाँ, सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़, आपको पता ही है कि हम सुबह से ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं. अभी it's almost 6:30 I think. Yes, it's 6:45. So remember मैंने सुबह आपको बोला था that there is this one product that makes sure that I smell fresh all day. It's my favorite Carmesi Natural Roll-On Deodorant. तो चलिए, अभी थोड़ा टाइम है तो मैं आपको इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा और बता देती हूँ. तो ये 3 फ्लेवर्स में आता है.
So there's floral sweet, there is citrus sea, and there is sweet summer.
मेरा फेवरेट फ्लेवर इज फ्लोरल सनसेट. आई लव एवरीथिंग फ्लोरल. माई ड्रेस, माई डिओड्रेंट. सो आज मैंने फ्लोरल सनसेट लगाया हुआ है. एंड द रीजन वाई आई लव दीज प्रोडक्ट्स इज बिकॉज they are made of 95% natural ingredients. यानी कि अल्कोहल, ट्रिक्लोसिन, एल्यूमिनियम जैसी चीज़ें इनमें हैं ही नहीं. So these products, they of course, like I said, help me smell fresh all day long. They control pigmentation naturally. They don't clog your pores. They help the skin breathe naturally throughout the day. These are just few of my favorite qualities of the roll-on deodorant that I'm talking about. There are a lot more qualities. So if you are somebody who's already thinking about getting your hands on it, please don't wait for it. This is one of the very few completely natural roll-on deodorants that will keep you fresh all day long.
You think of adding up some sort. Maybe what if we start with Dekh? Start
The band came over. We had a discussion about the set list tomorrow. And बहुत सारे नए नए additions हुए हैं, which is why I'm a little worried. So I'm going to sit down, I'm going to go through all the songs once again. Good morning everybody. सुबह हो चुकी है, अलार्म बजा नहीं, 6:30 हो चुका है. हमें लगा था हम 5 बजे उठेंगे. Anyway, now we are rushing. I'm going to take bath and get ready as soon as possible. See you in a while.
So before I go ahead and wear the final clothes for the event, let me show you how to use the Carmesi Roll-On Deodorant. Use it directly on your skin and then give it a few seconds to dry, and that's it. You're done. Put on your final clothes and you're ready for the day.
1, 2, 3, go! Hi dogs. Ready yet? No. Okay, we gotta hurry. Yup, it's 8:10. We gotta hurry, have breakfast, leave for tech check. Today, हम लोग सुबह बहुत chill करके ready वगैरह हो रहे थे, and then mama gave us a reality check that हम अभी जाके breakfast करेंगे, फिर tech check 9 बजे से शुरू होगा. बट उसके बाद we will hardly have any time to get ready, क्योंकि tech check अगर 9 बजे शुरू होगा, I am guessing 10, 11, 12, 11, 11:30 बजे तक तो एटलीस्ट टेक चेक ही चलेगा. उसके बाद 12:30 तक हमें स्टेज पे जाना है.
वी विल नॉट हैव इनफ टाइम टू गेट रेडी, सेट आवर हेयर, डू आवर मेकअप. तो हम सुबह सुबह उठ के वी फिनिश डूइंग आवर फाइनल शो का मेकअप. अब जाएंगे, ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे, टेक चेक करके वापस आएंगे, कपड़े पहनेंगे, सीधे स्टेज पे. बाकी का गाना हमें गाते हुए सुनने के लिए यू हैव टू कम एंड अटेंड वन ऑफ आवर लाइव शोज cuz copyright issues guys, had to remove the song from the video.
रिवर साइड पर
सही है ना.
Check done. Tech check was great.
I don't know, we got lost somewhere.
Yeah, we are now lost. हम लोग रूम की तरफ की रास्ता ढूंढने की कोशिश में हैं. अभी 11:15 बज चुका है, 12:30 स्टेज पे चढ़ना है. हम तैयार नहीं हुए हैं. टुक टुक का बाल वगैरह भी कर्ल करना है. Oh my God, we are lost. Are we lost?
Yeah, we are totally lost.
We are completely lost. Practically, we are running.
Straight.
Yeah.
Yeah, we found our way to the lobby. Yeah. Now let's go to the lift.
Found the lobby.
Yeah.
Wow.
Also, general knowledge. Lift is British. And elevator is American.
Elevator.
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 See the screen, huh? Get up all the time.
Oh,
पर्दा अपने आप opens.
watch it. Time. It's 12:29.
Wow.
Just sit and wear, nobody. What you are doing? 180-degree heel has rotated already, buddy.
Wait, no.
अरे अरे अरे
क्या हुआ? गिर गई? बस गिरना नहीं.
Had the most phenomenal gig ever. Now we are running short of time. अभी I think 3:45 क्रॉस हो चुके हैं. 4 बजे तक हमें होटल से निकलना है क्योंकि फ्लाइट पकड़ना है. But today was amazing. Today was amazing.
It was.
All packing mostly done. अभी बस packing the last bits. Whole trip I made sure that I eat healthy. और अभी हमें निकलना है. And last moment कुछ और मिला नहीं तो last meal is biryani. So much for trying to eat healthy at least one trip. We had the most amazing time here, but it's time to leave.
Why are you cutting me off the frame?
No, I am turning the camera where the source of the light is. देखो इतना जल्दी निकले, मेकअप भी नहीं निकाला.
I still have the bindi on with the western dress. Amazing.
Nice, nice, nice. Love it, love it. Anyway, nice look. We are now leaving for the airport. अब यहाँ से क्या होने वाला है आगे का स्टोरी तो आपको पता ही है. एयरपोर्ट जाएंगे, फ्लाइट पकड़ेंगे, घर पहुँचेंगे, थोड़े बजे सो जाएंगे. This is me Antara. This is me Ankita. Signing off. We had a fun time here in Kochi and we hope we can keep coming back.
Yes.
What a beautiful place to be, bro.
Yeah, because I am here, no?
Okay, bye. Vlog हुआ खत्म. Thank you so much everybody. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Stay tuned. This is me Antara Nandi signing off. See you very soon. Bye bye.